Another day, another chance to explore. Hello, all the wonderful people there watching my video. Today let's know about the world's biggest corporate building which is in India. Let's start. Surat Diamond Bourse, SDB. Surat Diamond Bourse is a diamond trade center located in Surat, India. It is the world's largest diamond trading hub with a floor space of 660,000 square meters, 7,100,000 square feet. The building is the world's largest office building ahead of the Pentagon. The SDB project was initiated in 2015. Though COVID-19 slowed the construction progress of SDB, the pace was increased after lockdown was lifted and the entire project was completed in 2022. The building is located in newly built Diamond Research and Mercantile City, a business district, and it is spread across 14.38 hectares, 35.54 acres, with availability of 61,000 square meters, 660,000 square feet, built-up area encompassing 4,000 offices for national and international traders. The Bourse comprises 9 towers of 15 floors, accommodating 4,200 offices ranging from 28 square meters, 300 square feet, to 700 square meters, 7,500 square feet. There are 131 lifts, elevators, with a speed of 3 meters per second. The building provides amenities such as conference halls, multi-purpose halls, restaurants, banks, and retail shops along with security plans. In addition is a dedicated custom house with a National Diamond Research Institute, an international convention center, international education facilities, and 5-star hotels. The complex is a pre-certified green building and is dubbed as the world's largest corporate building, touted as the world's largest office building on a single basement. Surat Diamond Bourse, SDB, will be inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in November this year. With construction works of its 9 towers completed, landscaping and beautification work at SDB site near Khajod village has been initiated, said Vallabh Lakani, chairman of the SDB, confirming the Prime Minister has consented to inaugurate the project somewhere around Diwali. The Surat Diamond Bourse, SDB, is located in Dream City, a planned smart city in Surat, India. The SDB is connected to Dream City by a number of transportation options, including Metro. The SDB is located near the Dream City metro station, which is on the Surat Metro Line 1. The metro line connects the SDB to other parts of Surat, as well as to the Surat International Airport. BRTS. The SDB is also connected to Dream City by the BRTS, Bus Rapid Transit System. The BRTS system provides a high-speed bus service that connects the SDB to other parts of Surat. Road. The SDB is also connected to Dream City by road. The main road that connects the SDB to Dream City is the Khajod-Udhana road. In addition to these transportation options, there are also plans to build a skywalk that will connect the SDB to the Dream City Convention Center. The skywalk will provide a pedestrian-friendly connection between the two facilities. Connectivity between the SDB and Dream City. The metro station is located about 1 kilometer from the SDB. The BRTS station is located about 500 meters from the SDB. The Khajodubhana Road is a 6-lane highway that connects the SDB to other parts of Surat. The skywalk is expected to be completed in 2024. So friends, that's all for the day. We shall meet again very soon in my next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.